Hello people and welcome back to Coloradobaddrivers channel. We'll start today's episode off with a careless driver who didn't bother looking at the road ahead of him because he was way too distracted on his phone, and because of that, he caused a rear-end accident. This video is definitely not for the weak-hearted. For those of you who have trouble watching crashes, I would suggest avoid this one. In this video you can see what happens when drivers don't obey the traffic signs. This driver didn't want to yield to a semi-truck driver and it came to a horrific crash.
Damn it, man, you get right there in the damn way.
Driver next to the camera was in a left turn lane only, but instead of making a left turn, this impatient guy started to move straight ahead and he nearly caused an accident.
Move past it. What the hell? Oh shit. Dude, why? What was that? Always awesome and never fails. Uh-oh. Jeez, bro, what are y'all doing? Okay, I guess. What the is this talking about?
Pay close attention to this driver here. He made a turn right in front of the camera's path. He didn't even know what he was doing there for a moment. And the best thing the camera could have done is simply stop and let his driver do his own thing before any major damage was caused. Driver in front of the camera was driving way below the speed limit and he didn't bother using his turn signals as he changed lanes.
Lane to take the 27th Avenue ramp.
It's just that simple. There's nothing you can do about it. You know what I'm saying? If that's your wife, then she ain't in love with you, dog. You know, you might... You gotta stay from in front of the Tyler Perry movie with your old lady, man. Before you sit in front of the Tyler Perry lady, man, before you know it, you think you... I know you need it.
Stop! Damn Nissan driver. Hello, hello, hello. Jesus Christ. Stop tailgating, douchebag. You didn't stop. Nice bumper, by the way. Cut off. Straight from the turn lane. Dumbass. Cut off. cutoff. Probably a cutoff. Ding-a-ling, Grandma! Somebody's ass is on fire. I'm doing 72. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Hello. 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 Yeah, whatever. And cut him off. Okay. Jesus. Oh. Did I change that? I did. No! 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 Jesus. You. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, whatever. The exit dive. Dangerous exit dive. Here comes the next exit dive. That's an exit dive. You're a douchebag. Now we gonna stop here? No, not really, no. Stop. Tailgating. And left turn dive and cut off. Left turn dive.
Camera was just minding his own business and driving on the road when all of a sudden he came across some trash on the road that someone left or dumped on purpose. Luckily, he managed to swerve around it. Speed limit in this area is 20 miles per hour and the camera was obeying the speed limit. But check out the cop in front of him. Apparently, the speed limit doesn't apply to him. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. Popping wheelies on the road is dangerous for bikers and others around them, so these bikers decided to choose an empty parking lot. But apparently, someone still called the cops on them.
We just stunt ride. We just like to find a lot to do it in, so we're not on the street.
Yeah. I figured it'd cause you less of a headache.
Yeah. Well, yep, if you guys don't mind, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Yep.
We got you, thank you.
Back to the streets.
As the van driver tried to park his vehicle, he somehow managed to graze another parked car that was there. Of course, he didn't bother looking for the owner and apologizing, let alone asking to fix the damage. But he didn't know that it was all caught on a camera. Another day and another episode comes to an end on Coloradobaddrivers channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, we'd really appreciate that. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that will boost our channel. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for all the crazy drivers out there.